What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get paid instantly for what you know with a free worldwide app. You heard me right. All you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we dive into this, keep in mind you won't get rich with this kind of opportunity probably, so if you're interested in building a real long-term online business and make some serious money online, you definitely want to check out the link in my description below here. But we save that for the end because this is a perfect opportunity to make some extra money while you build your long-term business there. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. So the site that we're going to have a look at today is actually Fibbler.com. Fibbler is available both on App Store or Google Play, so you can actually go straight away if you are on a mobile and you don't want to go to the desktop site and have a look at it. But for today, let's have a look at it here and see what this is all about. So if I scroll down a little bit on how this works, you can see here expert registers for free and sets his minutes rate. So you set your own rates here. This is really nice. And you can actually choose if you want to accept video calls, which you can see here they pay definitely much more for video calls. There is voice call. They do pay of course less here, okay? And you can also choose to only allow chat, which of course will pay you less. Now keep in mind that it says lawyer here, but you don't limit yourself actually for the expertise, because I see tons of different options here instead of lawyer. I'm going to show you later on. So people are actually searching for skills and they want to reach out to an expert, and that's where you can come in, of course. So if you're an expert in something or you have good knowledge, you can definitely sign up for this. And step number 3, as you can see here, expert provide answers via call, video and chat and gets paid instantly. So that is really nice, okay? Now the app features, you can see here flexibility. You decide, as I said earlier, how much you should earn when people contact you by chat, voice or video. The efficiency, search and filter profiles by industry, profession, location, spoken languages, pricing and rating score. And of course the simplicity, by browse user profiles and get answers to your questions in one click. So this is the app actually. You see here, you create your profile, you set your tariffs, you select your communication type, what you want to accept, search, browse and reach experts in one click. And then you promote your skills, of course. So this is basically how the app looks. Really simple and straightforward to just sign up for this. And you can see here the community, everything from doctors, lawyers, coaches, tutors, techies, TripAdvisor, entertainers and all other experts and advisors. So the benefits here, as you can see at the site, is easily find the needed skills worldwide for someone that wants to learn something or wants the expertise from someone like you. You get your answers in one click, different opinions at ease if you want to, and instantly you have to pay for the rendered services. As an expert, of course, you earn money for answering over the phone, promote your skills and gain global exposure, which is also very nice. Set your own rates for the different communication types and you get instantly paid for the rendered service. Basically, all you have to do is just go to the App Store or Google Play if you are, depending on what kind of smartphone you have. And we can have a look at the FAQ also, just a quick overview here. Here is the privacy, the general app details. So you can see there is a lot of FAQ here, reporting problems, bank information, price payment. So if you see here, you will get paid per second based on the minute rate. that you set for voice and video calls, and per answer based on the message rate that you set for chat, the earned amount will be added to your wallet balance. Really nice. And what prices only you can decide, so this is really nice. You can set whatever price you want, okay? If you think that you are too cheap, then just increase the price there. Let's see here. When do I get paid? In case of voice or video calls, you automatically get paid for each second while you talk based on the minutes rates that you indicated in your settings. For chat, on the other hand, you get paid based on your designated message rate once you confirm that you provided a final answer. At the end of each call, you pick up, and after each answer you provided by chat, that earned amount goes to your wallet, so you can at any time cash out your earnings to your bank account or use them within the application to reach out to any other experts you may need. So instantly, definitely really nice, and you get paid. You can transfer this from your wallet to your bank account, if I remember correct. Yeah. Anyway, you can have a look at, of course, the FAQ here at your own pace. A lot of questions. So in my opinion, I think it's definitely worth to sign up for. Do not limit yourself that you do need to be expert in something, because we all have expertise in something, okay? So definitely worth to check out and sign up for it. All you have to do, as I said, is go to the App Store and Google Play. So that is how you can get paid instantly with your knowledge with this free worldwide app. Keep in mind, as I said in the beginning, you won't get rich probably with this kind of opportunity. So if you're interested in building a long-term business, building a real online business and make some serious money online, you want to check out the link that I have in my description here below. Alright, that's it for today. If you got some value out of this video, I really do appreciate if you hit the like button below. Make sure to subscribe to both my channels. Do not leave yet. You'll find an end screen here. You'll find 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine. So I highly suggest you that you subscribe to both these channels. Hit the notification bell also to be notified every time I upload videos on these channels. They are both related to make money online and work from home opportunities. And you also find another cool video recommendation about how you can make money online. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.